Hello, it's Richard Dupey once again. It's Monday special. I have Monday special here. Something good I want to show you guys. So, just hold on and let's see how it is. A serious plan that has a lot of proving that I have to prove a lot of things to you guys today. So, many confirmations for the plan. So let's see the first confirmation in the Friday Bonanza paper. A lot of confirmation. First, in 2013 in Friday Bonanza paper, you see at event 283, 47 play. 3 weeks down, then 43 will play, and then following week double 7. So as the double 7 play, then following week the double 7 will repeat and play with its counter. That is double 7 and 32. The double 7 will repeat and play with its counter. That is the first confirmation. Let me take you to another confirmation. When you go to this 2009 at event 115 53 play machine, then following week 56 play in each winning, but that is machine. So following week this one is also machine to winning plan. So 3 weeks down from the 56, 1 2 3, then you see the double 7 again. Following week the double 7 will repeat and play with it counter again. That is double 7 32. That is another confirmation. So now let's go to another confirmation again in the Friday Bonanza again. That is when you come to 2018 at event 572 41 play, then 3 weeks down from the 41, 3 weeks down, 1 2 3, then you see the double 7, then 67 will go to machine. So following week you notice that the double 7 also repeat again and then play with its counter. Double 7 double 7 repeat again and play with its counter. That is 32 double 7 again. So now let me take you to another confirmation again in national paper. Another confirmation in national paper. So when you come to national at event this 1968. This one, if somebody see this particular event, the person would like to use it. To use this event, and I can use this event, but it's because of the main one that I'm using. That is why this event is not the one that I'm using. This particular event in national paper 1968. So when you come to event 290 in a national event 290, then 80 play, then following week you see single one, following week 11, then following week double 7 will play. So you notice that double 7 repeat again and play with its counter. So the single one also come to join them to give you the 3 numbers. So on this event it gives you another single one 32 and then double 7 has 3 numbers. So you notice that the double 7 repeated and then the 32 also repeat again. So those 2 numbers repeat, and if you stand there and then you pick it from down to, you notice that at event 296 43 play first, following week then double 7 and double 8 also play again, then following week then the double 7 will repeat and play with the 32 again. As you can see, this particular 43 playing first before double 7 play, and then double 7 will repeat and play with its counter. I showed you the same thing in the Friday paper earlier. In the Friday paper, there is something like that also in the paper. That is the one over here. That play the 47 first, 3 weeks down, then you play 43. Then following week, the double 7 play. Then following the double 7 repeat and play with the counter. So as you can see, it's the same thing that is in the national from the down. The 43 will play first, then double 7 will repeat, will play and then play with double 8. So following week, the double 7 will repeat and play with the counter. Okay, those are just the confirmations of the plan. So now let me take you to current plan that I'm using. That is the one in Monday Special itself. In Monday Special itself, we have this one. This is also another confirmation in the Monday Special itself. Another confirmation that you can see that the double 7 play, following week the double 7 repeat and play with the counter. So from that confirmation over there, this one is also in Monday Special. So when you come to now, let me take you to the main plan that I'm using today. So as you can see at event, this one is in 2012 at event 354 80 playing machine. This one is also like the national one. Is the 80. The 80 is at that position. As you can see, let me take you to the national one also, then you can see what it's doing in the national also. When you come to the national one, you notice that the 80 play. So when you count from the 81, 2, 3, 4, then the double 7 play, then the double 7 repeat and play with the counter. So this is the same thing that I did in itself. The 80 play. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the double 7 play. But this is the plan. This is the main plan. At 354, you notice the 80 3 weeks down. Then the 76 will play. Following week, then the double 7 will repeat. The double 7 will play and play with 85. Then you put 43 in each machine. So following week, the double 7 will repeat and play with the counter. That is 32. Then the 80, that 80 over there will also counter to join them. That is 35 to give us the 3 numbers that we are expecting on this event. So this 80 will counter 35. Then the double 7 will repeat and play with each counter. That is the 2 short. So the 3 numbers we have for the week is 32, 35, and then double 7. That is the 3 numbers we have for this particular game today. So let me take you now to current confirmation, and then you see how it is. At current confirmation, you notice that the national one that we saw earlier, then 80 play before single one, and then following week 11, and then double 7. As you can see, the 80 play following the single one, then 11, and then double 7. So following week, double 7 play, and then the double 7 will repeat and play with the counter, and then 32. So as you can see, it's the same thing that is here and the same thing that is there. And the ones in national Friday Bonanza paper that I showed you earlier, they are all on it like that. So when you stand at event, when you stand at event 842, you notice that the 80 also played 3 weeks down. 80 played, then 3 weeks down, then you see the 76. Following week, then double 7, and then 85 again. Then he played the 43 in each machine. So following week, definitely the double 7 will have to repeat and play with the counter, and then the 80 will also counter to join them to give you the 3 numbers. That is 32, 35, and then double 7. So the event I'm using for this Monday special is event 358 in itself. In the Monday itself. So the event is 358. And the numbers on the event are 32, 51, single 2, 35, and double 7. I'm going over it again. I say event 358. And the numbers on the event are 32, 51, single 2, 35, and double 7. I'll write it at the description below. So if you go there, just click on it and then you see the full numbers I'm using for the Monday special. Thank you very much for being here. And I hope it grants us our win this evening.